Guys, I went a bacon here to a noob, to a glitcher, to someone of a pro. Now, be prepared for 3, 2, 1. Guys, sorry for that rampage, but BC 80 Robux. Did you see that shirt? This is my shirt. Don't know why I have 3 of them, but it's okay. So, ready for this, guys? Boom! So this is my group. Now, yet again, I do have merchandise. So we go to a store. Look, so you see that right there? If you buy that, for 10 Robux, not that expensive. If we can hit to 100, I will do a payout at the end of this week. So next Saturday, if you guys could buy that merch for only 10 Robux, I will do a payout to 1 lucky person. But this should be a builders club. We can then go and straight hangout, as you can see on my oh yeah, you can't see. Oh wow. Oh yeah, right there. Recently played. Straight hangout. But I don't know, black, new me, new. Let's get ready to some jailbreak. Because you know why not? Why the heck not? I know, this game makes me rage a lot. I actually might go back to the old raging game. Also known as Prison Life, I don't want to go back to it ever again. Oh yeah, I got a new animation. And I got a new thing. Actually, that someone traded that to me, so it's not really quote unquote new. But someone traded that noob to me. Look at Mr. Allen, he's like, look at Mr. Allen, he's like a psycho. He's like, whoa, flying! Noob's like, get out of my face. You're in my, oh my, really? Yeah, I got a new animation. I got the cartoon animation pack. I think it looks weird. Weird as heck. Sorry, I'm weird. Buy my merch at teamman58890. Also no, call us at 111111. Not the. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not copywriting. So let's just do our little thing. I'm gonna do my little glitch, or just steal this guy who's naked's credit card. Sorry, key card. Thanks. Adios. Thank you. Thank you for the key card. Really means a lot to me. I love the running. It's just so it's stupidly awesome. Oh, by the way, I did buy the Mustang. So, there's actually a lot of things I have to tell you guys about. So in this game, I actually bought the Mustang, I bought the motorcycle, and that's all I bought in this game so far. I'm saving up for the Lambo. That's why I have 34,000. I haven't spent it. Can you spawn Mustang? Okay, thank you. I'm saving up for the Lambo, but it's gonna take a while. But that's okay. Yeah. And if you join my group, it'd be awesome. I'm gonna be like, toot my own horn. I know you're ready to Tristan. I want to buy your shirt. It looks so cool. Well, we just searched up T-man dash T capital T dash man and then space merch. You'll find my merch there, and you just buy it. Or if you want to go to my group and buy my Mr. Alien t-shirt, knock yourself out. Just go do it if you want to. And maybe take a Tristan. Wait, when are you gonna do a group payout? We have 2 Robux left. Yeah. I will later. Just give me 1 second. I actually might do a video about trading one of my limited edition items, which is, well, I already did. So the noob I have in my head, I traded my rosy smile face, which means it's not the same amount, which I shouldn't have traded it. Because the rosy smile face like 2,000 Robux, and then the noob that I got cost like 400. Ugh. I know. Is the bank open? Is the bank open? I'm robbing that. Camping cops or not. I can't believe I built for stuff. Best thing in my life, dude. What? I don't want to block this poor dude. I'm blocking. I don't want to block him. I don't want to block him. Is that a cop? I don't want that to be a cop. Because I need to show you what my merch looks like in the game. No, it's not gonna be a short video. It's only gonna be really short. It's only gonna be short videos. It's not gonna be. I'm gonna take out like all your time. It's only gonna be short. It's gonna be like really short. Let's get out and ba 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 ba. I'm actually at the back to have my my picture of my face. But yeah, it's cool, I guess. I need to buy the SWAT. Oh, wait, is there a star? No, okay, good. Stars these. Oh! Shoot. Oh! I don't know if that's the S word. I'm still uploading it either way, but I didn't mean to. That's my mistake. Sorry. I'm gonna wreck the cops. So they're like, oh my god, this kid's wrecking us so hard in this game. Oh my god, I wish I could be this guy. He's so rich. Oh, and there, okay, that's good. You stay there. I got business to do. Let's go. I'm walking in the base, even though I'm a criminal, cause you know, I'm no, and yeah. Oh, rip. Back to, oh, well, I love that. I love when you're rusty, you just jump like that. It's like, wee! Well, short video. I know, not that long. Reminder, Yeti game. Go to here. Sorry, don't go to there. Go to groups. Join this group. I'm just kidding, you don't have to, you don't want to. If you do, join this group. This is like the best group ever. Yeah. And you guys, if you guys do join this group, I will put one of you guys for an admin. We'll see. I already have one of my friends for admin. He's not fun right now. And there's only one owner. That's obviously me. So yeah. And if you want to see any trades, just go right ahead. I'll trade you anything you want. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!